All right, hey everybody, this is John. Welcome to the free video. And tomorrow we've got FOMC day. We do have a market that right now is very short. As the 10-day moving average of the put-call ratio is comfortably over 1. And as we go into tomorrow, we got this big old weekly squeeze. We got kind of a head and shoulders reversal taking shape. We had a trend line, from the highs here that's been broken. And everything I'm looking at here is that we possibly into the end of the month just get a short squeeze. Obviously it doesn't need to go straight up or anything like that, but everything's kind of teed up for that. And what's different this time around, what's different is banks are going under, is that tech is participating. And so the weekly chart of tech actually looks really good. And again, in the short term, I'm looking for a nice pop here and that tech could retest the August highs. So I like the idea of even some out of the money calls where if it doesn't work, not the end of the world, but if it does, it could be a multiple, essentially a multiple of that, right? In terms of individual stocks, one of the ones I like the most here on the tech side is Microsoft. It's already kind of proven itself. It's had some nice moves. Also, you got a fantastic weekly squeeze, 2-day squeeze, monthly squeeze, etc., etc. And if we can get any pullbacks here, I think that would be a fantastic opportunity. And last but not least, for tomorrow, when the interest rate decision comes out, and a couple weeks ago, the consensus was it was going to be a half-point rate hike. Since that time, with the weakness in banks and stuff like that, the move in TLT has basically offset that. And what can happen, so keep in mind that when TLT, the bonds are moving down, they're forward looking to inflation risk, and when they bounce, they're forward looking to inflation weakening. And so they're kind of allowing the Fed to step in and say, you know what, let's only do a quarter point. So I'd be shocked tomorrow if we end up doing a half point. I'd also be shocked if we did 0, because I think that would spook the markets. 0.25 is kind of the nice middle ground where they get to raise a little bit, but not too much. And I think the markets will appreciate it and respond to that. All right, that's what I got. You guys have a fantastic evening, and we'll see you at the next update.
Hey, John here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, comment down below and let us know what topic you want to see us cover next. Also, be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you can get notified when we release new videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time using our own money, go to simplertrading.com and learn how to sign up. Good trading, and we'll see you next time.